Hello everybody, welcome to another Star Stable video. Today I will be joined by no one. Yeah. Whole thing about no friends. It's very sad. Well, not no friends, but very little friends. Yep. So I will be joined by myself and me horse. And me bad English. Yep. Woohoo. Yep, me. Oh yeah, I forgot. Also, I'm joined by lag. Oh, they changed the screen for loading. Yay. Does that just mean more lag? Probably. Yeah, I waited around about 2 hours last night trying to wait for it to update. That's one thing I would recommend people fix about this game, is that it takes forever. I mean, please, fix the lag. Or, fix my internet. Yay. Or just fix both. But that's kind of greedy. So, last night I was talking with some friends. Well, not really, but soon to be. Maybe in videos. People in my, club. Yeah. People's in my clubs. Yes, it's done. Okay. Da da da. Another loading screen. This one's even worse. Okay. Alright, let's go see if I can do anything in Moorland. Let me know how to say these things, like with a pronunciation key, because it's very much needed. Very much. My horse is still sad. It's very depressing. Oh, yeah. Da da da. Yay. Let's go talk to Tan. The Tan. Tan, Timmy Tan. Back. Click. Click. Can I talk to you, please? I very much like to have a conversation. In your bag to try again. Let's go in. Returning to Moorland Stables riding track. One. Da 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 da. Da da da. Oh man. Yeah. Oh. I can't do this. I'm too slow. Maybe I can do it. Just maybe. Probably not. Oh, but can I? Oh. Okay, I beat my record. Oh. Okay. I do it? all done. Yay, I got me monies. Have you seen Loretta? Oh, she's run off on the wall, but never came back. I was worried that something had happened to her, but I can't leave the paddock. All the other bobcats are looking for her, but I need to stay here in case somebody comes back with any news. I really need help to find her. Can you ride it along the path along the cliffs over there by the mountain to go look for her? Oh, yes. Whoever Loretta is. Apparently over here. And please like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you think I should play next. Stop this road. Stop. This road has been declared unsafe. You can't walk, ride, or drive any further. There was a huge rock slide a little while ago, and large rocks have completely blocked the road. Have I seen a girl on a horse? No, but I hope for her sake she's not lying under the pile of rocks over there. She'd be as flat as a pancake. I know. Well, that person just went. No, I can't let you pass, even if your friend is in danger. The road must be cleared before I let you pass. Those are the orders I have, so I won't leave this place until Mr. Campbell tells me to. You have no idea what he'd do to me if he found out that I had disobeyed his orders. If that is important, why didn't you go ask Mr. Campbell to send the bulldozer? You'll find Mr. Campbell on the construction site close to that beautiful large advertising board that you probably love looking at. That's just rude. Write to him and ask him if he can hurry up and send a bulldozer. Okay, that's my new favorite voice, get worker. Getter, Jetter, GED or whatever. It's so much fun having friends. Man, that music was just on the cue. Music is so peaceful. But the storyline is not, because somebody just got squished by rocks. Whoa. I'm still getting the hang of this horse thing. I think this is part 5 of this. Yeah, 5. Well, there's Bulldozer. Looks like he's ready to go. If he listens to me, this is going to be surprising. Mr. Campbell.
What have we here? A little stable girl who dares come all the way up here. What do you want to sabotage my powerful machines in a pathetic attempt to save that little pile of planks that you call a stable? Don't you worry, little girl. We will tear that stable down and build new luxury condos and sell them for fabulous amounts of money. Rather excellent, don't you agree? I will get rich, and the Morlands won't get a shilling. That's how we work at GED. Oh, you're not here to cause trouble, really. You want me to lend you a bulldozer? You're funny, little girl. Huh?
Well, I didn't get a bulldozer.
So you want me to send a bulldozer, sir, to clear the boulders off the road to rescue a friend? I really should ask you for an outrageous amount of money, but I need to clear that road anyway. I'm waiting for the wrecking crew to come, but this rock slide will force them to take a detour. This is what we'll do. If you mark for me 4 trees that filling, I'll send a bulldozer, okay? Take this red tape and mark those 4 trees over there, and then I'll help you. Agreed? Man, he is not nice. He needs, like, I need so much, and I have so little.
Use item red marking type. I'm working, really. Red marking type. Oh my. Stop it. Oh, now you stop. After you're stuck in a bush. There we go. Now we need to find the next tree. Says it's back up this way. Da-da-da-da-da. Red marking type. There's the last one. Yep, just marking all these thingies. Yes. That's done. Da-da-da. 137 shillings. Yes. I think once I get the Bulldozer, we will call this video good. I made some pretty good progress. Good girl, maybe you should think about working for us here at GED. We're always looking for people willing to destroy the environment. Destroy the environment? Oh, I'm riding on a horse. You have to learn not to trust people. Ha ha ha. Well, I'm not trusting you. Anyway, I had already given the order to send the Bulldozer, so you said you did all this for nothing. See, that's how it goes. You think I'd wanna... Oh no, the Bulldozer! The Bulldozer! Bulldozer! Stop! I'm gonna rule the Bulldozer. Ah, it's my Bulldozer now. If I can move my horse. No, it's... I can't stop. Well... Okay then. That'll be the end of this video. I'm getting creeped out by that invisible Bulldozer. And my horse. So that'll be the end of this video. I guess goodbye. Maybe. If it'll let me. Well, anyway, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-byes.